Okay, welcome to the channel. This is a DIY sandblasting cleaner for a GDI engine. This engine is specifically a BMW X5 N54 engine. As you can see, the carbon buildup here, it's overwhelming. Um, so I'm gonna show you just the basic tools for this, how to do this at home. And I will show you the how bad the carbon here, the buildup. As you can see here, it was just chunk of carbon there, just caked up, and obviously this is caused a lot of issues, and this is why we have to do this sandblasting procedure. As you can see here, really caked up, especially this one here. And this is the final product. As you can see, is night and day difference. And this is just a basic tools like anybody can have. So I'll kind of show you. Here's the gun, right? This gun is just a regular sandblasting gun you can buy in the store. And the only modification I did is this pipe here. This pipe, just a regular pipe and a washer in the end, and I solder it together just to make it fit in here. So you just get some kind of pipe like this size and solder it with a washer at the very end, and there you go. Just put it in there like that, and you have a sandblasting gun for the intake. And here's the vacuum end for the suction tip. Actually, you're gonna need a 3D printer, or you can buy an Amazon for the tip. But I have a 3D printer, so I'm able to print it. So you'll see in a minute how this gonna came out. The good thing about this procedure is that you can modify your tip. I actually print multiple of this so that I have because the hole, I want to move the hole on each side, and that's a good thing about this. If you can make it your own, so you can modify the tip. So you can see there the hole is in the middle. Some of them I reprint it with but the hole is on the side, left and right. So here's the finished product. Here it is. Now just clean at the bottom and put it into a vacuum right here. Just a regular vacuum, right? And that's what it looks like. And here it is. So all you have to do, just put it into the intake opening, turn on the vacuum, and start sandblasting. So right here, you can see so you gotta really spray it really good in there to eliminate all the carbon, and also make sure the intake is closed. The intake valve is closed. Don't spray it with the intake is open. So here is the finished product. Closer look right here and there. So that's it. If this video helpful, please consider to subscribe, like, and share so we can grow this channel and help more people